This is Excel tutorial on how to create the Excel line spreadsheet. Excel line spreadsheet. Step 2, in cell B10, so we locate cell B10, which is right here. Calculate the linear function for output in cell B9 and input in cell A10. And fill B down the column. To B30, so input is going to come from cell A10, and this defines here where the output is going to go. So Y is B10 and X is A10. Okay. That's B10 there. I selected cell B10. It's going to look like this right here. That's what the output will look like. Equals. -5 star. A is A10. X is A10. Plus, shift plus 3. So I have 5x plus 3 here, and -5x plus 3 here, and I hit enter. And fill down to B30. Go to this bottom right corner, left click and hold and drag it down. In C10 here. So the output's going to take this form here of this function, and the input's going to come from A10. And we fill it across. Okay. So I select cell C10, put my formula bar and put an equal sign. So I'm going to have a -2 star times X, which is A10, shift plus 3. So I have -2x plus 3 here. And I hit enter. And fill down the cell C30 to C30. For that cell, bottom right corner, left click and drag it down. Step 4, here, calculate in cell D10, so we locate cell D10, which is located here. Calculate the linear function for the output it takes to form that's in D9. And input in cell A10, and fill D10 down to D30. So I selected cell D10. Okay, and output's going to take this form here. So I go to D10, I hit equal sign. And I'll have 0 star A10. Shift plus 3. So I have 0 times x plus 3 here. And fill down, it looks right, so I hit enter. And fill down to D30. The bottom right corner, left click and drag it down. Okay, and it takes care of D. Next one is E. Let's go to step 5. In cell E10, select cell E10, which is here. Calculate the linear function for the output that takes the form what's in E9. And the input's going to come from what's in A10. Fill F10 down. What's that? Fill E10 down to E30. So E10 is here. Go to my formula bar. Equal sign. So I have 2x plus 3 here. So I'll type 2 star A10 shift plus 3. So I have 2x plus 3 is an equal sign there, and I hit enter. Select the cell, go to the bottom right corner, left click and drag it down. And I filled it. The next one here goes to F. And cell F10, locate cell F10, which is here. Calculate the linear function for the output that takes that form in what's in cell F9, and input from cell A10, fill F10 down to column F30. So find cell F10, which is right here. Go to my formula bar and I press the equal sign. Okay, so then I have 5 times, so I need the star. 5 star A10, A10, shift plus 3, 5x plus 3, and I hit enter and fill down the column. Okay, and it took care of F. The next one is I here. I12. What is the y-intercept of each function? The y-intercept for each function here, we see that is 3, and that goes into I12, which is 3. And I15, which is located here, determine which slope will give the largest y value. So in this case, here we're looking negative. Just looking at the values in the chart, you can see the largest y values are going to come here. Yeah, -5. In cell, hit enter. In cell I-15, just here. Oh. Okay, they just answered that one. In step 9, I-19, which is here. Okay. Determine which slope causes the graph to move downward from left to right. So if it's going downward from left to right, it'll have a negative slope. In cells K27 to R43, insert a scatter chart to show the 5 different linear functions. Okay. Select range A9 to F30, A9, A9 here to F30. On the Insert tab. Click Recommended Charts. And there's your scatter chart there. Okay. So hit OK. And then choose the third chart from the top. Third from the top here, scatter chart with 5 categories. You can see that there. And hit OK. Apply style 1, chart design. That's style 1 there. And then in chart title here, type lines. And then move it over. And that is the end of that. Okay.